Bumper, then twerk it. Miss, if you got a bumper, then shake it, vibrate it.